morning!
Good morning!
What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is our day 2 here in Vancouver, Canada.
Yay!
Today is not that busy. Actually, it's one of our chill days. So come along with us for today's video. Let's go! Tara! Tara! So we are just waiting for our lift, and it's a little bit chilly today. It's 12 degrees Celsius. That's why we're currently wearing some jackets and sweater.
It's rain covering right now.
And there's no sun as of the moment. So hopefully the sun will come out later today. They don't love me and they love me. Wait. And we're here at the Metro Town station. Ride the SkyTrain today. It's been a year since we loaded our Compass card. I don't think it expired.
No, it does not expire. I just want to know if we have.
Oh, I think we still have money left in it. So you wanna ride this one? Okay. It's so breezy, and the breeze is so cold. It's actually already cold for us because we're living in the Caribbean. So this
Not
is
for me. I love it. You want the double? I can remove this.
And then you're the one who's dying in the plane.
Oh, that's different. I don't feel well. Is it the same? Reduction wage is yours. Is it
Train to King George.
Okay, let's go now. What happened, Bella?
bonfire ride?
Wrong train, right?
We got the wrong train.
She's been eliminated to this vlog. She's already been eliminated. First, she got the wrong train. She got the wrong train. So we're currently here at the Royal Oak.
Royal Oak?
Oak. And no one is here. Yeah,
No
boy.
one's here. It's just
place because this girl had not enough skincare. I want more. No comment. So this mall is like a Chinese mall, similar to the Aberdeen, almost. It's a bit floral, good for work, and this is clean, good for everyday. So we got another skincare secured here, and this girl is happy because she already found what she's looking for. And because of that, the perfume, right? You saw that, I got that one. And the clear lip gloss because sometimes my lips is very dry after applying lip tint. So it's just a must need.
Hi guys, so it's a vlog takeover. I'm kidding. So, right now, we're going to Coquitlam Center because I don't know why.
I'm gonna check Lululemon, some other things.
Yeah, because it's always not just one thing, you know.
Yeah, because for emergency, we need something to wear for
The concert,
tomorrow.
yeah.
What's going on tomorrow?
It's the Beaniverse concert in Vancouver. Hooray! We have a floating park right there. Wow. That must be fun.
So we're now here at the Coquitlam Center Mall. So first stop is the Lululemon. Okay, so now the first stop because Aliona wants a bag like mine. Oh, this is cute. I like this sweatshirt.
It's nice.
On here to the bag section. I think this is the new one. I kinda like this one. So cute. But I don't see the bag that I need. Not here. I don't see it. I think Grace will like this bag now. So cute. How much is this? Can you check?
148.
No, not at the moment.
Nope.
Budgeting. Broke. She broke. So the bag that I'm looking for is like the same that I'm wearing right now, but they don't have it. So we might have to check the Metro Town if they have it. So we are here in the sports bra dilemma. So since I'm started to go back to the gym, that's why I got one, just one. I'm now trying my luck to ask for the bag because I feel like I see it. I see it in the mannequin, on the mannequin. I think that's the one. I think that's the one. On the mannequin. Oh, it's here. Huh. Found it. I found the bag. Woo! Yeah, it's the same one as mine, but this one have like an established in Vancouver. So I got it. Yay! Bag secured. So I forgot to film about trying on clothes for tomorrow, but I finally got my outfit. But this lady haven't got her top yet, so that is our next mission. So I think just to tease you guys, you have to wait for tomorrow. We go vlog. So guys can see what is the final outfit looks like. So we're here at the food court to find something to eat. Are you hungry?
Yeah,
No, not really.
a little.
So maybe I will just get spring roll and the chicken karang. Small bites. Gyoza, Shanghai, takoyaki, and chicken karang.
Hello guys, we're back and guess what? We have a car! She's driving. So today is Vancouver being rainy.
So we're ending this video right now since nothing much to do left. It's just we're heading home soon. And I hope you like this video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and
Comment. Like, comment.
yeah, you can comment if there's anything that you would like to see more in the future. Maybe we can see that together. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Watch out for our Beanie concert soon. Bye guys.